In this video, I'll show you how to assemble your counter pressure bottle filler. As you can see, there are a few bits in the box, but it's fairly straightforward. Okay, so here we have the unit itself. As you can see, we have a few different levers. And I'll explain them in the how to use video. Okay, so first thing we'll do is assemble the shank. You can see one side has a longer thread than the other. This longer side screws directly into your font, or you can just mount it through the fridge door. This side screws into the unit itself. Here we have the backing plate and the lock nut. First of all, we'll put the backing plate on and then screw the locking nut in place. Like so. Here we have the beer in barb. The beer line attaches to this end and comes out into the shank. So first thing we do is add one of the rubber washers. Like so. And get the backing nut. Slide that over the end, like so, and then screw it onto the shank. There, now the shank is assembled. And grab the unit. As you can see, we have a large hole this side and one on the other side. You get a little plastic bung which can be screwed straight in to this side, and just tighten it up with an Allen key. Also, instead of using the bung, you can attach your tap directly to here so it doesn't take up one of your tap spaces on your font. Okay. Now, we've got a CO2 barb which screws into this hole here. We'll attach the shank in here. Make sure you get it in straight. And then attach your CO2 barb into the hole that I showed you before. And then before use, just tighten all these up with a spanner. You also get this stainless steel gas T-piece. The CO2 from your gas bottle regulator goes in here, and attach a gas line from your keg that you're filling from to this one, and then attach this to the unit here that we just screwed in. And that's basically it. This barb here on the side, that is just attach a beer line to that, and it's just an overflow tube for any excess beer that comes out of the top of the bottle as you're filling it. That's basically it, guys. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact us at www.ambernectar.com.au.